What's going on, guys? So I wanted to make a quick video here on our uniform situation. I've had a few questions last year on the Carhartt hoodies, so I figured I'd go through everything here. We use the Daily Hustle store. Chant, some of you that follow a few people, know he does the embroidery, screen printing, everything like that. Years past, we used to get everything online. Never really worked out. This stuff doesn't last. So I'm going to go through a few things here, what we wear, kind of our uniform situation. So first thing is we do have a few cotton, but we do a lot of the, I don't know, it's like the Sport Tech, I think it's called, shirts. These are great because in the summer, you can breathe in them. If they get wet, they dry very fast. And they're also okay for the winter. You can layer up on them. But these are very light. If you're in the heat, you want to do the moisture wicking, I think it's called, t-shirts. This is kind of what we have in gray. This is the other gray we have, which is new for this year, actually, which is very nice. It's the logo there. We got the American flag on the sleeve, and then the back. These are very nice. Of course, we get them in bulk. And these performance ones are called, I'll find out, Sport Tech. The Sport Tech, I don't think it'll focus there, Sport Tech brand. These, again, performance we call them, but these are very nice. That's, the best for the summer, I guess you'd say. And then we do have cotton, of course. The cotton's very nice too for the fall, spring. When it's a little chilly out, these are a little heavier, but these are not good for the summer. You will sweat. These stain a lot easier too, and they're just heavy. When it's so hot out, it just weighs you down. They don't dry, but I do offer them. I give everyone a little bit of everything. Some people prefer these over the performance ones, but preferably the performance ones are the best sellers, I guess you'd say. We do have long sleeve here. Again, this is for, the fall, spring, when it's still a little chilly out. These are the Gildan brand. It's ultra cotton. Another good brand here. T-shirts, long sleeves. These are great. So that's mainly the T-shirts. We always buy in bulk every year. You want to kind of be ahead. So if you need clothes, you want to do it in the winter, whether you get it from the Daily Hustle store or not, everything's going to be, a week or 2, 3 weeks out. So you want to plan ahead. So it's, not cheap either all the time, but you want to be ahead of the game. So we have everything for the summer here. And then in the summer, we'll get everything for the fall. And the winter, which in a minute I'll talk about the Carhartt hoodies we have. But that's mainly the T-shirts. Again, like I said, you buy in bulk. We have bunch of different sizes. Everything's available. Usually I'll swap these out and give the few guys we have new shirts every year if the ones they have look gross. You know how it is with stains on the shirts. Just getting grease, oil on everything. Some of them get very gross over time. But so that's that. And then we do have underneath here the long sleeve moisture wicking shirts too. They're performance, I think they're called, the correct terminology. We have the American flag there on the sleeve, which is really nice. But these are great too. Some guys wear these too in the summer because against the heat or the sun, and it actually keeps your body temperature controlled. There's a lot of talk going around about wearing the long sleeve performance in the summer. I'm not a fan of it. That heat really beats down on you, but some guys wear them. So that's that. That is the long sleeve. And then this is pretty cool. We bought these a few years ago. These are the Carhartt Rain Defender jackets. Hoodies. Very nice. Front, back. And I'll actually show you these. Again, these are pretty sweet. So this is the hoodie. This has been great for the snow we had 2 years ago and for the rain. And I'll show you why in a second here. So like I said, this is the hoodie. This is the Rain Defender, and these bead right off. See that? Water puddles on. Beads right off. Shakes right off. Really nice. Really nice. This is great too for, like I said, for snow. We've had it a few times in the snow. I'll show you here. Beads right off. Really cool. Really cool. This obviously was a little bit more expensive, but definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. You know, you're not sitting there in a soaked hoodie, just drenched, not drying off. So these dry off really quick too. And the rain and the snow just bead right off of them. They don't stay soaked. You're not soaking wet constantly. These are really nice. And this is the Carhartt, I think, Rain Defender. I'll get it correct. Yes, Rain Defender. Rain Defender, Carhartt Loose Fit. And again, this is from the Daily Hustle store, Chant and his crew. This is great. These were pretty expensive. We bought 10 of these. This was 2 years ago, but it's very much worth it. You can get a few different sizes, do whatever you got to do, but these are awesome. That was for the snow. So snow and rain, everyone gets one of those. And that's pretty much that, guys. Again, like I said, we have the short sleeve performance, long sleeve performance, cotton. Some people like that. Everyone really has their own preference too. We've had a few people that like this, like that, hate this. So we always have the options out there available. I also do have a few crew necks of these too. These are very nice too. We bought these 1 year. Weren't a fan of the crew necks. I don't know. Just wasn't a fan of them, so stopped buying them. But that's pretty much that, guys. Again, everything's from the Daily Hustle store. We've always gotten his gear. But never a problem with anything either. They go through everything online, you know, before they make it, so you're on the same page. And it's really cool. Really cool. You could go somewhere local too, but I've been following Chant forever, so I've always been committed to his stuff. But yeah, I would try to stay away from the Zazzle, Vistaprint, things like that. I mean, if you need it and you're starting out, absolutely go for it. But not really the best quality you'll get. But that's that, guys. Any questions, comment below. I'll leave some tags to Chant's website, kind of everything, the brands of shirts we have and what's worked for us. All right, guys. Take care. See ya.